What is up, guys? Tim's here and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope that all of you guys are doing good during this quarantine, and honestly, let's just get into the video. So before I show you how to record with Geforce Now, I just want to kind of give a summary, and in no way is this video sponsored. No one pays like a small YouTuber like me to sponsor a video, but yeah, whatever. What Geforce Now allows you to do is pretty much get the best gameplay possible on something bad like a MacBook or a bad laptop that's kind of old and can't really run games. Like, I have a pretty new MacBook. It's a 2017 MacBook Pro with like, I think it's an i7 with like 8 gigabytes of RAM or 12, I'm not really sure. But I can't even run Minecraft on this because the graphics card is garbage. It's like an Intel 620 or 670, 680, around there. And I guess it's fine for like browsing the web, checking mail, or editing a YouTube video, you know? But when I tried playing Minecraft, that thing was horrible. Like, it sounded like a plane was just flying around me. It was so bad and so loud. With Geforce Now, however, I can play games like CSGO, Minecraft, or even Fortnite on full settings with over 60 FPS. Usually I get around 80 to 120 FPS, which is too much for my MacBook because my screen refreshes at like 60 FPS. Even for some of you that have better PCs and you could play games like Fortnite, I know that it's a laggy when you're trying to record with OBS, so Geforce Now pretty much like records it without all that lag. But there's one little thing. Make sure you're really close to your Wi-Fi or you have a good Wi-Fi connection, because even in the next videos that I'm going to show with the gameplay, you're going to see like little freezes, or the screen's going to look really pixelated. You're going to see squares on like the screen. It's going to look really weird. That's because of Wi-Fi, and you're not really playing off your device. What you're doing is pretty much screen mirroring off like Nvidia's PCs. So they have like the best spec'd out PCs, like a huge office filled with them, and you pretty much rent one out. There's two options actually. You could either play for free, but there's a limited amount of PCs for the free people, so you might have to wait like 30 minutes to log into Fortnite. But there's another option right now. It's like $5. It's really cheap. I went for that one. That's like a cup of coffee from Starbucks. No one likes Starbucks, but it's fine. And now I'm going to show you how to record with it. It's really easy. A lot of people don't get it because there's like a little shortcut you have to press, but I'm going to show you what to do. So let's go. Alright, so first of all, open up Geforce Now, let that load up, and when it does load up, go to the little settings icon you see on the top right. It looks like the regular settings icon. Click on that, and then go to streaming quality and find resolution, and then change that. You could find your screen resolution on Google. Just type in the size of your monitor or laptop, and then put resolution after and choose it. Then open up any game you want. In this case, I'm gonna open up Fortnite. I'm gonna let that load up, and then I'm gonna be right back. It should pop up right on your screen. If it doesn't, it's gonna be in your task manager down below or on the side on Windows. But yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so the game opens up, and this is the part people don't know about Geforce Now. If you press Command G, it opens up a menu on your left side. So let's wait for that to open up. It opens up, and then go to the little settings thing. I don't really use it, but I just want to show you the little settings. So highlights, it captures like the 30 seconds of what happened before you got a kill, before you got killed, or solo kill, whatever, things like that. Then instant replay, it captures, you could select the time. It's from like 30 seconds to 2 minutes of what happened before you pressed it. So if you got a cool like clip of something and it was really long, you could change the time on that, whatever. I'm pretty sure it's actually 5 minutes. Then files and disk storage, this is where all your screenshot videos saved go to. So you could make it go on this desktop or go to a specific folder. For me, I didn't touch it. And then another thing, it helped me find out my shortcuts. So this is shortcuts, controls. You could change this if you want, but for me, that's how I open up my menu, how I start recording, things like that. It also shows it in the front page, so I'm going to show you it right now. So you could see, like, to record, I press Command 9, it starts recording. Instant replay, it's Command G, I think, and then screenshot is Command 0 or Command 9. I really can't see that, honestly. And then microphone, Command M. You could turn it on by just pressing it, or by pressing Command M, and then it turns off or on the microphone. So I'm gonna press Command 9 right now, and it starts recording, and you're gonna see on the side it said recording started. I press it again, it says recording saved. Yep, like that. You don't have to have the menu open for that to start. That's called a shortcut. You just press it, it starts recording. So I'm gonna turn that on, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. There might be areas where I lag or it looks pixelated. Like right now in the game, you can see that it kind of froze, and it's gonna look really pixelated right now. I think, yeah, that's because of the Wi-Fi. You're gonna see that in the gameplay, but yeah, let's just go into the gameplay. Alright, perfect. So we're in the game, and you could see it's amazing quality. This is like medium settings. I could bump it up even higher, and it looks just as good. Doesn't look bad at all. No lag, graphics look fine, things like that. But like I said before, Wi-Fi is the most important thing for this. Like Geforce Now isn't really dependent on your PC. You could have like a $100 laptop or something. Geforce Now allows you to run like games with the best graphics possible. See, no lag, everything's good. I think it's just the player that lagging right now. See, you saw that part was laggy because of the Wi-Fi. It's a frame drop that I had due to my high ping. So if your ping is good, if you're close to the router and your router is not getting blocked by like walls and things like that, you should be just fine. I guess that's it. I hope I helped some of you guys out. If I did, please leave a like on this video. It helps out so much. And also, I'll be making a ton of little tutorials, maybe gaming videos, depending on what you guys want. So subscribe. We're close to you, 1K. I'll be doing a giveaway on that. So the faster we get there, the faster you get a giveaway. I'll be giving away, I think, $20 or $10, battle pass, whatever you guys want. But yeah, see you then, I guess. Enjoy the video.
But can you stop? Oh! Stop! Oh, somewhere else. Let me heal, please. Like, actually, stupid ass. You know, stupid ass. Ha! Oh, it was the real ops. The one that killed me.